And cool if you chromed out shine, right? I can see our reflection, it's so beautiful.
I'd like to come out, and then we'll give out the trophies for the best bike and show and the best car and show. Again, I want to thank you all for coming on behalf of the Johnston Community Center Association. We appreciate you coming here today and making today a success. Again, we thank Tommy and his wife Anne Marie for all they've done for us today. And we also want to thank our other sponsors, the Cello family, Eddie from Little Rhodey, Homestead Baking Company, Kavanaugh, our Johnston Police Department and the Johnston Explorers, and the Johnston Recreation Department. We thank you all for your support. While you people were going out on the bikes, they did have a judging committee that was over there to pick the best bike. And then they looked at the cars after while the bikes were out. And then we talked to Tommy about it. And of course, being the guy he is, he said, never mind one trophy. We'll give a trophy to first place, and then Tommy's going to give the second place winner in each category a gift certificate to come back here and have lunch on him. So we're going to have Tommy and his wife do the trophy presentations, and we'll do the bike first. And all the votes were tabulated and sealed by the accounting firm of Dewey, Cheatham, and Howe. And we only opened up the envelope just a few seconds ago in Tommy's men's room. We use the men's room as the office. And the first place winner in the bike goes to the owner of the Peach and White 1996 Harley Davidson. And our second place winner in the bike division, we'll let Tommy make his way down there, is the owner of the Green Money Bike.
Get closer. Congratulations.
Is Tony DiLorenzo's 1957 Merc, driven by his son Gary, his grandson Gerald, and his granddaughter